Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, or as the British say, YouTube. I'm a little bit chubby. People keep asking me why I'm chubby, so I thought I'd make a channel and explain. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna try to cook some stuff, give you some ideas throughout the week. You know, it's quarantine anyhow, so people are doing useless stuff. Might as well learn how to cook something, you know? So whenever this is over, you can have the best lunch in the office, or I don't know, maybe you got into a fight with your soul, and now it's the morning after and you're trying to ignore it with some food. You never know. I don't know your life. So basically, I stole this cookbook from my grandma. You know, she's pretty old and slow, so that was pretty easy to do. But today we're gonna make some waffles. Now, we are here in Belgium, so they're gonna be Belgian waffles. Does that make them Belgian? I don't know, but they're definitely made here. You know? So here's basically what you need: some flour, some sugar. You can use regular white sugar. You can use some dark sugar if you're nasty. Some eggs, milk, and some baking powder. You know, you can eyeball all of these things, but since I'm not a drug dealer, I'm gonna use a scale. So, very simple recipe. This is not gonna be one of those channels where I tell you this is an everyday item and then I proceed to take out blueberries from the Fiji waterfalls. If you don't have these items, then your government has failed you. Basically, what you need is just 500 grams of flour. Take some flour. I don't know what this is in cups. It's definitely some cups, that's for sure. You toss this delicious flour all up in here. And as you can see, the scale keeps going. This in street value is ridiculous. Keep going, you know. Right there. We're so close. Never mind. We open up a second bag right here. You don't want to make a mess, because then that defeats the purpose of making something nice for your family, and maybe they will like you after this, who knows. Just some flour in here until you get to that 500. 502, 503, you know, we're not that nitpick around here, it's okay. Then, wait, we forgot some salt. Now, as you can see, this is definitely salt.
We can't.
Salt.
Salt.
And not a foreign drug. You need 10 grams of that. So you take a little spoon, you know, you just drizzle that in there until you can do the math here. But the machine here can restart, since the math is getting too difficult for me. And then you just start drizzling the stuff in there. You know, the way I do it, and that's because of my years of experience, I do about that much of the white sugar, and then, just because I'm fancy, I take some dark sugar as well. And just plop it in there.
It's called brown.
Brown sugar, yes. I'm trying not to involve race in this, but yeah. And there we go. You know what? Life is difficult in quarantine, so just pop some more in there. And there you go. Now what you need to do, this is your dry ingredients here. And mix that up. Nice and easy. You know, this is the foreplay part of it. You know, you don't wanna just jump in there and start mashing it. You know, you just go nice and easy. Nice and easy. Feel it out, you know? Break up all the dark/brown sugar, you know, get that all in there, mix it up, nice and easy. Now, since this is not enough mess already, you take another bowl, and this is gonna be for your wet ingredients. We need some eggs, 4 eggs, isn't that a surprise? And then you just get in here, and you break them. You know, you don't want to get any of those crumbles in there at all. Oh shit. And there we go, that's one. Ah, fuck. There you go. Make sure you wash your hands before this. And then a second egg. Now you're asking me, is this a healthy recipe? It absolutely fucking isn't. Alright. You get your eggs in there, yeah? And then what we need is a bit of milk. How much milk, you ask? 710 milligrams. And why? Milliliters, milligrams, whatever. So, people, it's not rocket science. Kids could do this. They really could. But child labor is illegal. So, you know, you gotta do it yourself. So, well, you see, this is the trouble of working with non-professionals. Your milk is closed. You spend your time here opening the milk. And it's just you know,
Disgusting.
Disgusting. I don't want things to get to my head too fast, but this is just, I can't work with this in the future. So that's some milk for sure. Let's see what we got here. This is not a measuring cup. So you pop that in the microwave for how long? For about 40 seconds. You know? And you just wait. Just chill out. Now, does it have to be 40 seconds? No, it does not. It just needs to be some more milk. But one thing I do know is that all of this is pretty hard work, you know? So you just serve here while you wait.
Hey, happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Cheers.
Oh! The milk is ready. Ah, butter. We need 150 grams of butter. Now you're asking me, how the hell am I gonna know 150 milligrams? Well, you open up the butter. What is this? Oh my god. If you look right here, it's 50 grams by 50 grams. So now, if you have gone to school, at some point, you can see that 50 plus 50 plus 50 is 150. So that's where you cut it. So you get a knife, a nice big knife, unnecessarily large knife, because you're compensating. And then you chop it right here, 150. Where's 150? We just check real fast. 150 right there. Make a small cut. And then you just chop this up. And then and then you use this giant chunk. Then you ask me, how's your cholesterol doing? Not well. Not at all. Chop this into nice little pieces, because we are gonna melt this bad boy at some point. You get unnecessarily invasive with your hands, just to make sure the extra flavor is in there. And then you get yet another bowl, because you can never make too much mess, people. You put that in there, nice and buttery. In the microwave it goes. For how long, you ask me? I have no idea. You just have to go and check sometimes, you know? If it looks melted, then it's okay. I get a whisk. And while we wait for that, we're just gonna mix this egg so fast. You see, this skill is very important if you plan to beat your kids later, because it's all in the wrist. It's all in the wrist right there. Alright, don't beat your children, people. That was a joke. Our butter is ready. You take a spoon that's been here this whole time and I don't know what it's from, and you just mix it. So it's all nice and melted. Melted butter. Now where does that go, you ask me? Right into the goddamn eggs. It's okay if you have a few lumps in there, you know, it's no big deal. Life is sometimes lumpy, but you should definitely check that out if you have any lumps. And then the milk goes in there. And now I'm starting to think that I got a way too small bowl. Yes, I did. Alright. You give that a nice stir. Get rid of this. And then we mix. Nice and easy. Nice and easy, people. Nice and easy. With consent. And then you take your main bowl here. You know, this is the bowl that you live with. It's your main bowl. And then you have your side bowl. Come and ruining your home life. You see? You get that all in there. And then you come in here and you stir. You stir it all up. Like I said, it's all in the wrist. So you just keep mixing here. While you're doing this, you're gonna want to start your waffle iron over here. I paid a full €6 for this. So as you can see, it's very modern and useful. It even has a light. So you let that light turn off. It gets hot in the kitchen, people. It gets hot in the goddamn kitchen. You mix this up. Now, you want this dough to be thick. You're not making pancakes. How thick, you ask me? Well, thick enough.
As thick as you.
Thick enough to make you think about it, but not thick enough to make you leave your wife. So just keep mixing. Get it right in there. See? Right in there. Just keep mixing. We're done.
Nice and lumpy.
Nice and lumpy, but that's just the start. You know, like I said, this is all foreplay. Nice and easy. And remember all those magazines you read? If you want to start nice and easy. You know, this is the part. Oh, how many family members do you have? Oh, 3 sisters? Oh my god. Now, the reason, to be honest, it looks like I'm the delivery man from that movie and I have 200 kids, but it's not true. This is gonna make a shitload of waffles. But I like to make some now. I like to make some in the morning. After all, I said in the very beginning that I'm pretty chubby. So don't judge me. This is a judgment-free zone. So as you can see, this is not the consistency I want, so I just spray a little more flour on there. This is definitely not cocaine. Keep on mixing that stuff. Mix it nice and well. It's giving me signals that it's ready.
Not yet. Light is on. The light
I'm just
is
a liar.
on.
Make sure you get all the sides. Make sure you get an extra colorful bowl. You know? My friends are like,
Paradise.
who'd you have to sleep with to get this bowl? Actually, with nobody. You can just buy these things. Alright, just a tiny bit more flour. I know this kind of defeats the purpose of me telling you that you need 500 grams of flour. But, you know, surprise. Now, all of this is pretty hard work, so... Take a little break. Just work that in there, give it a little stir. You just want a nice thick dough. You see? A little bit more. Give it a few clicks, and we're ready, people. Now, you just let this sit for like, you know, another bit. I'm telling you, this is hard work. Now, when you wipe your sweat with your hand, you should technically wash your hands off, but I've been told I'm sweet, so I'm just gonna keep it in there for extra flavor.
Ew.
You open your iron, you go like this, it's hot enough. And I actually forgot to tell you all about the secret ingredient. It's very important to just take every paw and just slowly...
Ew, ew, ew.
Alright, this is all sanitary. And then you grab your ladle and some dough. And I don't know the capacity of your waffle machine, but you just kind of take half a ladle here and you just give her one of these all over the place. Now you don't have to fill up the whole thing because it'll spread out. You know, grab another half for the other waffle, spread it all in there. Yeah, and then you just close it and you let it do its thing. Now while it's doing its thing, let me just have a sip of beer. Alright, I'm gonna take a little break here and then I'm gonna show you how it looks in the end. So you see, now this is what comes out in the end. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna use your hands to flip them. It burns, but that's the only way you feel things now. And you close it back up for the other side to cook. And then you wait again, it's a waiting game. But lucky for you, if you are smart enough, you didn't stock on toilet paper, you stocked on beer. We have a waffle, ladies and gentlemen, a full-grown waffle. Toss it on a plate. And then you do the same thing all over again.
Enjoy the summer, says the bowl.
What?
Enjoy the summer in quarantine.
What? No, eyeball it. Eyeball it. You're an adult. You know what you need to do. You know? And if you're a child out there watching these videos, Maybe your parents will love you if you cook these. You know what I'm talking about.
Babe, I think the waffle is burning. Babe, the waffles, what the fuck? Babe, the waffles!
So this is what you end up with. As you can see, we have some delicious waffles. As I mentioned before, we have a lot of extra dough. What you can do with this, you can store it in the fridge. I usually don't do longer than a day, but you can store it for 2 days, I'm sure. And then you can put on these whatever you want. It's dealer's choice, but here's a little side recipe. What I do is I get a little bit of Philadelphia. Philadelphia, you owe me some cash for this. Take a little bit, take a waffle, spread that on a waffle. You know, nice and lather it up. You get some blueberry jam from the Fiji waterfalls, and then you just put it on the waffle. See you next week.